All right, stay tuned for some latest cutting edge technology for all the 23.5 CVO, Road Glide and Street Glides, the 24s and the 25s. You won't want to miss this. All right, so we've partnered a while ago doing some extra homework with Zen Audio, the A to B solution on the 23.5 CVO Street Glide and Road Glides. This is also going to work with the 24 Street Glide Road Glides, the 25, all the same models, as well as the full touring bikes with the tour packs and everything on the back. I've stayed away from getting into audio on these bikes. Up until now, really the only solution has been to put a line output converter onto an existing amplifier, and I don't like the way there's so much power going into the line output converter. We've been working with Zen Audio, and this thing's amazing. This actually converts the digital signal coming out of the display of the unit, which is called an AB signal, and this is actually going to just replace the factory amplifier, be completely plug and play. This is going to give you 8 channels of 5-volt RCA output that can be tuned any way you like. None of them even have to be subs. It's going to give you 4 speakers of output directly to the amplifier. It's going to give you 4 speaker outputs. It'll go right into whether your tour pack speaker pods, your 6x9s and your lids, whether you're adding them or they came factory. This will even give you the turn-on wire that, if you know anything about these bikes, for the amp turn-on wire, you need to go down underneath the seat. So this one little module will plug right in, and in a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how all of this works. You're going to be amazed, just like I was. All right, we've got our latest rendition of the Zen Audio piece in this bike. It sounds amazing. Some of the key things right off the bat that we really enjoy being able to bring to the market: 5-volt RCA outputs, and there's 8 of them. If you want to just do 4 speakers, it's completely plug and play with the module. But here's what's really cool. The DSP is unlike anything anybody's ever seen. There's 1,024 bands of EQ in this DSP that I've never seen anywhere. I can adjust full adjustability. The GUI, which is the program that runs the DSP, is so user-friendly that anybody can do it. But if you buy a full package from Lifestyle Cycles, which means our A to B interface, including amp and speaker packages, we're going to be building full tunes for your bikes to where it'll be ready to go right when it shows up. If you don't think you need a DSP, this is available with or without the DSP feature. It's only an extra couple $100 if you want it. Now, again, if you're going to use it and you don't want to go into all the tuning or pay somebody locally, we'll have preset tunes that we can just simply load into your A to B interface before it ships out. This is a game changer. I don't get excited too much about stuff, but this is so different. This is cutting edge, and this is what these bikes really needed. Stick around, more to come on this stuff. I'm making all the stainless steel amp brackets right now, so everything's bolted in. We don't Velcro anything. We don't double back tape anything. You're going to be able to run this bike into a car, and all your stuff is still going to be right where you installed it. Stay tuned. There'll be a lot more information around this coming. We're going to start taking pre-orders on this because we've got a limited batch coming out in the next few weeks before the major shipment comes in of the mass-produced units. Another great thing about this, it doesn't matter whether you have the small amplifier in your bike or the larger Rockford Black amplifier. This just unplug either one of those amplifiers, this plugs right in. The only other thing you have to do is run a power harness for your amplifier of a power and a ground down to your battery. Like I said, your remote trigger on this unit's all the way up front. This is going to be a super clean install. When you take your fairing off, people are going to want to know where this came from because it's going to be so clean inside your fairing.